Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the recording format in a Panasonic HPX370P high definition TV broadcasting camera. So here's how we proceed. The first thing you need to do, obviously, turn the camera on, and this is the on-off switch. You flip it to the left or flip it forward to turn the camera on. The camera boots up fairly quickly. Within few seconds you have the on screen, and then you have to press the menu once and scroll down and select the setup. I'm going to zoom so you could see it better. Okay, so I'm going to press the menu. When you press the menu, now I have to scroll this button. Now I'm going to show you from the different angle. This is the button I need to scroll. I need to scroll that button, and then the selected item needs to be highlighted in order to execute it. For example, if I want to go to system setup, which where I have to go, you scroll it once, go to selection number 2 and push it in. Once you push it in, the first menu item is the resolution setup, system mode. You have to select that and then push it in. Once you push it in, it gives you the list of all available options. The best quality is 1080 at 59.94 frames per second. So if you would like to keep it there, you simply choose that. If you need to reduce your resolution to lower resolution, then you have to select whatever resolution you want to choose. And then once the desired resolution have been chosen, you push it in again and you're all set. And then now you have to press the menu once, twice to get back to the main screen, and the resolution has been changed. I hope this video was educational. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.